So in this VistaCreate tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add shadow to text here on VistaCreate. So once you have the application opened up or you're on the website, first off, add some text into your design. So go to the top left here, press on text. And because we're looking at adding shadows to text, I'm going to type in the word shadow, just like that for simplicity's sake. So if you wanted to add shadow to this text, it's fairly straightforward. Press the text right here, go to the top right to where it says effects, press on that, and then where it says outline and shadow right here, press on shadow right here, and there you go. Now if you want to change the size of it, you can change the size just like that, make it larger or smaller. If you want to change the blur effect on it, you can make it less or more. You can change the distance as well in regards to which way the shadow goes. The angle works the exact same way, and then ultimately the shadow color. You can press the shadow color right here, and then change the color to green, for instance, or change it to orange or to red, or whatever the case may be. Play around with it is completely up to you. But yeah, fairly straightforward tutorial on how to add shadow to text here on VistaCreate. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.